Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and doing great. Yes, welcome to the Bloom German channel. Friends, we are discussing a very important topic, that is Adjektiv Endungen, and we have already discussed that the Adjektiv Endungen for the bestimmter article. If you haven't gone through that video, please go through it. Today we will discuss the Adjektiv Endungen for the unbestimmter article. As we all are very well aware with the unbestimmter article table, still we will revise it one more time. Masculine nominative is ein, masculine accusative it is einen, masculine dative it is einem. Feminine nominative it is eine, feminine accusative it is eine, feminine dative it is eine. Neutrum nominative is ein, neutrum accusative is ein, neutrum dative the article is einem. There is no article for the plural. Now let's see Adjektiv Endungen. Adjektiv Endungen for masculine accusative, dative, feminine dative and neutrum dative. All are same, that is en. So remember, in this boot-like structure, the Adjektiv Endungen are same, gleich. Now let's see the Adjektiv Endungen for the remaining article. Nominative masculine is er. Feminine nominative and accusative, the adjective ending is e. Neutrum nominative and accusative, the adjective endingen is es. For plural, in case of possessive article like thy name, my name, in that case you will need this en. So in case of possessive article, you have to use this table, similar table, and in that case you will need the plural. So you have to use Endungen as en. Let's understand this Endungen with the help of some examples. First one is Ich kaufe ein Schönhaus. So house is das Haus. That's why ein schönes Haus. And kaufe is action is going on there. That's why the sentence is in accusative case. So ich kaufe ein schönes Haus. One more example. Ich komme mit einem intelligent man. Now mit come here, that's why it is dative. So Adjektiv Endungen should be en. Ich komme mit einem intelligenten Mann. Richtig? One more example. Sie kaufen einen schwarz Stift. Now kaufen, again it is accusative. So einen Schwarzstift. Article for stift is there. So it is masculine accusative. So en. So sie kaufen einen schwarzen Stift. One more example. Meine beide Kinder. So meine dash Kinder. It is what? Plural. And mine is a possessiveness. So meine beiden Kinder. Klar? Für possessive und kein Artikel muss man diese Tabelle benutzen. Herzlichen Dank für das Anschauen meines Videos. Auf Wiedersehen.